What's up, guys? Welcome to another video of the Lego. This is a version 5. Today I'm gonna show you my Lego Soda Vending Machine version 3. I'll show you how it works. So before you know how it works, let me see all your details. This is a 360 view. It's a 4x6 base plate. It's a 1x2 sticking out with a 8 blocks high. It works well. So this thing is cool. You'll get some coins. These coins. You put this thing right over here. If you see this red, I will see this. Take red, and then push it in, and then it gets soda. So one more time, push it in. You'll go here and get soda. To get your coin, you would push this and reloading the soda. Reloading, you see this top off, and there is a flat smooth piece. Flat smooth piece is taken off. You put a soda, the gray one in the left hole, and the yellow one is in the right hole. Put a lid on top. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And you like to watch our video of my Legos is the Lego Vending Machine version 1 and Lego Vending Machine version 2. And thanks for watching.